This time, no special treatment. William Porter walked down the public sidewalk to the courthouse. Protesters gathered after Porter entered the building, but the demonstration outside could be heard inside the courtroom. So far, no reactions from the defense or the jury pool.
I think if there was something that was interfering with the trial or with jurors' deliberation or consideration of evidence, then the judge would be able to regulate speech.
The judge asked who has not heard about this case, the Gray family settlement or citywide curfew. No one responded because they have all heard it all before. Freddie Gray suffered a spinal cord injury while in police custody on April 12th. He died a week later in the hospital. Porter, in a dark blue suit and yellow tie, studied the jury pool carefully. He will have a say in picking the panel. Other questions by the judge include, have you or your immediate family been a victim of crime, arrested, faced charges, or jailed? Would you give more or less weight to testimony from an officer because they are an officer? Do you or your immediate family member have any connection to law enforcement? Porter, who is expected to testify, responded to a call by the van driver to check on his prisoner at the corner of Dauphin and Druid Hill Avenue. Mr. Gray requested help and indicated he could not breathe. Officer Porter asked Mr. Gray if he needed a medic, at which time Mr. Gray indicated at least twice that he was in need of a medic. Officer Porter then physically assisted Mr. Gray from the floor of the van to the bench. Charging documents indicate Porter did not get Gray medical attention nor put a seatbelt on him. Despite worldwide and intense local publicity, legal experts are confident a panel will be picked.
I continue to remain impressed with our jury system. I think ordinary people take their oaths conscientiously, and they represent the foundation of our justice system.
Courthouse staff is under the impression that jury selection could actually be completed by tomorrow. As we speak, they're still inside the Mitchell Courthouse talking with individual jury members off to the side of the judge's chambers. The judge, during his instruction to the jury, during his questions for the jury, asking them if it would be a hardship to serve, said the trial is expected to last until December 17th. Reporting live from the Mitchell Courthouse downtown, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.